Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. In our first video, we have seen that how to set up and integrate Klaviyo and we can get more conversions, higher conversions, more sales on our Shopify. So let's come back to Klaviyo integration with our Shopify store. So here is our Shopify store. We are going to try all the Klaviyo implementations on it. So first of all, the first thing is we will be going through the dashboard. This is the default dashboard for Klaviyo for every Shopify store. So you can choose the plans accordingly according to your need. Like if you have more than 1000 emails, your customers, then from here in account plan, you can select accordingly the plan you require. So here you see we have this plan with $0 per month of 500 emails we can send 150 SMS, and yes, if we want to upgrade it, we can have these plans. In $20 we can send 500 and 5000 monthly emails. In $15 we can send these SMS. And then if we look at all email plans for Klaviyo, you will be knowing that how it will cost us. So in here you see that these are the email plans. Like maximum you can have like these are the email plans. Like you can even send more and more and more emails with Klaviyo. There is no limit. You see, I don't think so somebody needs email plan about this thing here. Like the largest plan we will see in Klaviyo for emails are like 57,200 USD. So from here you see we can notice that even $1 million plans available in, or $100,000 plan available in Klaviyo for email. So let's come back at campaign. So before going to start campaign in Klaviyo, we will see that how we can set up campaigns. Like here you see if we click at create campaign, we have two types of campaigns, email and SMS. We will be forwarding with email. We will click on create email campaign, and then you can give a name like demo, and you can even give some tags to your campaigns if you already created tags in your campaign. So recipients, to whom you wanna send the emails. Like here you see newsletter. These are the lists or segments we will see later here under this. So let's select newsletter here, and then we can select as many as segments and lists in this list, like repeat buyers, and then to whom you don't want to send. Like sometimes you have recently created a campaign like 14 hours ago, 15 hours ago, so you don't want to include that list in the new campaign. Then you can include that thing here. And then you can click on, you can also track, you can also skip recent email profile for last 16 hours, and then you will get your estimate recipients here, and you can get even tracking if you include UTM tracking via Google Analytics, and then click on continue here. After clicking continue, you need to give a subject to your email, that is 50% discount is on. Don't miss this opportunity. And then this is the subject line, preview text, and from here you can select drag and drop email template design, and from here you can select the templates available in the Klaviyo library. Like these are the theme templates. So let's select one of here. So there are themes, there are basics, And then they have my templates. In my templates you can even make your own custom templates. So we are just picking up one to save the time. This one, summer SMS sign up. Once you will select it, you can edit it and customize it according to your niche, your store designing, and you'll have this thing here. So in here we can make anything, text, image, split, like all the customization features available, drag and drop, and then you can see it on mobile device, as well as these are the responsive email templates in Klaviyo. Once you are okay with it, you can simply click save content, and once you will save it, you can easily review it. Like in here you can click on continue to review, because before sending you must know how your email looks like, so you can make any potential change in it. Like you have added list of segments, you are smart sending, your subject line, form replies, content, unsubscribe link, tracking, and then powered by Klaviyo. So if you upgrade the account, you don't see it. So we click on schedule. Before going to click on it, we will just click on here content, edit, and this will be the email content, and you can click on edit email here. We are doing this just to preview the example, to review how it looks like. And just click on review, and when you are reviewing, you will have an option you click on preview. So your email would be look like this. You can even test it in updated plan, that how it looks like, and then you can click on schedule or send. So you can schedule it for any time in future days, or you can send now, and then your campaign will be gone through after clicking on send. So we will see if we click on this, and now okay, our campaign just started, and we will see the results, that how things looks like. So in here, return to campaigns, we will see how demo campaign is going. Okay, you see it's saying that sent already. It's refreshing. So once it's okay, you can see that to whom you have sent this campaign, how many emails are sent. So this thing sent to one recipient, repeat buyers, newsletter. So we'll check the recipient activity here. So there is one recipient, you see, this is I myself. So I'll be going to check it in my Gmail, that how this thing works. So here you see we got the subject here. Maybe we are not on paid plan, so we'll check our spam here. So you see it will be like this, because it's not coming from paid Klaviyo, so 50% discount is on. And then our email template, report not spam, and then it will be in our inbox here. So here you see it will be like this. So now we have made the campaign successfully, and now what are flows? So let's see. Flows are basically how you want to retarget your campaigns, your different lists and segments. And in here, in abandoned cart flow, let's see if we edit it. We can also create new flows here. So okay, here you see we will first check this one, abandoned cart flow, by editing it, and then we will be creating a new flow here. So when somebody started checkout and they have these flow filters, like people enter their flows, like checkout started and they haven't placed order, and after they are not placing order and starting checkout, 4 hours gone, then we'll send another email that it will be like this. We will preview it. We'll send them this email: thanks for shopping by like this and that, you haven't shopped yet. So if they haven't shopped again after this email, then after 20 hours we have added this. These are basically time delays we are adding. Like here you see we can add anything from here, actions and times and logics. And then at the end we send this email. You can make as many as flows, time delays, emails, actions, notifications, and once you are okay with it, you can just active this flow and it will be work like this. So other than this abandoned cart flow, you can create flows here by clicking create flow, and you can create all these flows like welcome series, somebody is coming on your shop, like browse abandonment, those who are not buying but doing checkout, like thank you after doing order, you can send retarget your customers, and then we'll see all the ideas available in Klaviyo that helps to boost up to 60% sales by implementing these. Like these are the standard abandoned cart reminder, browse abandonment, customer win back, like encourage lapsed customers to come back and see what's new with this standard, and then new versus returning, and then welcome series, post purchase follow-ups. So you can just simply click on one, we'll just see at one and we'll be selecting all these. Like in tags, if you have created tags, you can give them tags, and then here these are the default flow. You can even edit it, you can edit it, delete it, or add it. So once you will click on edit flow, you will be here on this screen. In here you can make any action like delete, add, or something. Like you can edit emails, templates even, and then once you are okay, you click update action status and it will be live. So these were the flows, how flows works. So you understand you can have different emails, campaigns, and you can delay times, you can give more ideas. And in the email templates, you can design any template from template library, or you can even design your own custom templates by just clicking here classic or new editor. I suggest new editor with more options and drag and drop things. So once you will select it, you will see things like this. You see it's very simple, drag and drop, text, images, split, buttons, all the options available for desktop as well as for mobile devices. You can even preview it. So here was the thing, you can preview, you can send test, and in test you can give your email, and once you click on send, you will receive the email test message sent successfully. And once you will check your email address here, you see you will be seeing emails like this. Once you will buy the plan from Klaviyo, you don't see this spam thing, so it will be coming through proper emails, SMTP servers. So this was the thing. Templates available, you can even have more templates saved, you can make your own custom templates in it. And then we have sign up forms option. In sign up forms, you can create sign up forms, you can embed pop-ups on your Shopify store like this. You can create any type of sign up form inside your store. It will be like this. So we'll be just creating one built from scratch, and this is the demo wishlist. So we'll be using this, and then pop up in middle of screen. You can move fly out, embed it. So we'll be using pop up. Now we will be designing sign up form pop up for our this Shopify store here. So let's see, it will be like this. So I'll be just going to publish it without going into any more further integration. Before publishing is verifying that Klaviyo is embedded on our Shopify store or not. To display this form on your site, you'll need to confirm Klaviyo on-site JavaScript enabling Shopify as shown below and click save. So here, once you're going into your theme in Shopify, you will be going to customize editor, theme editor. Inside there, you'll be clicking on customize here, and as seen here is saying unable to detect sign up form, so we'll be now enabling it. I know this is going to be a bit longer video, but this will be covering all the Klaviyo integration, implementation and flow strategies. So hopefully you are enjoying, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube with press bell icon so more people know that why Klaviyo is important for email marketing and conversions optimizations. So if it's not opening, you can just give a second try, because sometimes Shopify delays due to some okay, once you got it, we'll see here, we'll be going to theme editor, you see, and then we will be enabling Klaviyo pop-up. So okay, before opening this, we may try this thing here. Once we've gone through Shopify admin successfully, we'll be implementing this. Sometimes it took time. We'll be clicking on every page to, once it goes through, we can easily log in and edit our store's theme. Okay, we will be coming back with this editor open. Okay, so here you see we are into our customizer. So as usual, so you see once we click on footer, or you can even check it out here. We can go to add section, and in here you see we can add Klaviyo embedded form, and then in here you see we'll click on save, and then we can also go to manage apps and see if Klaviyo is not properly integrated with it or not. So in here basically we are integrating Klaviyo APIs with our Shopify. So here you see so we'll be clicking on update settings. Okay, it's updated, and in here once we click on verify installation, maybe sometimes okay, we forget to click save here. Once it's saved, you can click verify installation, and okay, boom, it's successfully installed. And yes, publish changes. It's live, so we'll be looking at our store here. That how it looks like on our store. You can make more changes to your pop-up, how it should look like, how should it be shown. Okay, you see we designed a pop-up and it's showing here. If you are writing your email here and clicking on subscribe, so you'll see this, and you will be also receiving an email, and we are closing it, and we'll again seeing the pop-up how sign up forms performs for one email. So you see this is a newsletter list, so we'll click on it. We'll see more analytics into it, advanced repos. Sometimes the real-time data fetches are a little bit late, and then we have SMS conversations, and same like this. You can click on list and segments, and in list and segments there will be some default list fetched from your Shopify admin. So you see things like this. So you can also create your own list by clicking on create, and then clicking on list, and then giving it name, demo, and then list, create list. You can also upload custom CSV files here, or you can add a subscribe page. So once you will be doing this, like by uploading custom CSV contacts, if you already have a CSV file, you can do it, or you can also use your own CSV just like this. Here you see it's saying the import view. Once you will review it, you can give the names, like once you will and then you can start import. Like here you see you'll be importing all the CSV files here. So it will be like once you click on import review, and then once you import, you will see all the emails in this list as a name demo. So we haven't finished that, and it will be showing that like a draft right here. We haven't imported data into it. So just like this, you can create segments for targeting in campaigns, flows, email templates, sign up forms, and then in the profiles you will see a lot of profiles that are your Shopify customers like this here, and you can also see the activity of your customers in Klaviyo, and then in analytics you can see the daily conversions and end campaigns in your analytics portion of your Klaviyo. You can even figure it out by checking with different checkout started or different events here. And then your integration, we already integrated in our first part of this video. So if you haven't watched it, you can see in the previous video of this Klaviyo playlist on our YouTube. And then yes, we have this catalog with your products. You can add your products in your Klaviyo, so you can target your products in email campaigns for your clients. And then you have data feeds. You can even send your feeds products to different email templates, like different feeds. You can get top trending selling products from your Shopify. And then you have coupons. You can create custom coupons, you can create unique coupons, discounts, and you can also integrate your coupons directly from Shopify, or you can create coupons here and it will be also created into your Shopify store. And then you have preferences page. In here you see you can do these settings like regarding colors and everything. And then in the brand library you can upload your logo, your brand name, your one word, etc., your fonts. And then in the tags you can create the tags for your campaigns, for your flows. You can click on create tag and you can give it a name and then click add tag. and you can add these tags to more lists inside your company. So this is our tutorial. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.